Harnessing the Energy of Sound Therapy. Welcome to Alternative Wellness Wisdom, where we delve into the fascinating world of alternative therapies for optimal well-being. In today's video, we explore the intriguing realm of sound therapy and its remarkable ability to harness the energy within us. Join us as we unlock the healing potential of sound vibrations, discover how it reduces stress, enhances our emotions, and promotes holistic wellness. Stay tuned to unravel the science behind sound therapy and its profound effects on our mind and body. If you're interested in exploring alternative paths to wellness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to support us in bringing you more enlightening content. Let's embark on this sonic journey together and embrace the transformative power of sound therapy. The power of sound vibrations, exploring how different frequencies can positively impact our well-being. The power of sound vibrations is an intriguing subject that has gained significant attention in recent years. It is fascinating to explore how different frequencies can positively impact our well-being. One captivating fact is that sound vibrations have been used for centuries in various cultures for healing purposes. From ancient Tibetan bowls to indigenous chants, the therapeutic effects of certain frequencies have been at the core of these practices. Interestingly, scientific research has started to shed light on why sound vibrations have such a profound impact on our well-being. One reason is that our bodies are mostly comprised of water, and water is an excellent conductor of sound. When exposed to certain frequencies, our cells and tissues vibrate in resonance, creating a harmonizing effect throughout our entire being. This resonance has the potential to restore balance, reduce stress, and promote overall emotional and physical well-being. Another intriguing aspect is that sound vibrations can influence our brainwave patterns. Different frequencies can stimulate specific brainwave states, such as alpha, theta, and delta waves, which are associated with relaxation, focus, and deep sleep, respectively. By entraining our brainwaves to these desired states, sound therapy can help alleviate anxiety, enhance creativity, and improve sleep quality. Moreover, sound vibrations have a significant impact on our nervous system. They can stimulate the vagus nerve, which is responsible for regulating various bodily functions, including heart rate, digestion, and stress response. The activation of the vagus nerve through sound therapy has been linked to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and enhanced immune system functioning. In conclusion, the power of sound vibrations in positively impacting our well-being is a fascinating and multifaceted subject. Ancient healing practices, scientific research, and the influence on brainwaves and the nervous system all contribute to the understanding of how different frequencies can promote holistic wellness. By harnessing the energy of sound therapy, we can tap into a natural and non-invasive approach to optimize our physical, mental, and emotional health. Unlocking the healing potential, discovering how sound therapy can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Unlocking the healing potential of sound therapy is a captivating area of exploration when it comes to reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Sound has been used throughout history as a powerful tool for calming the mind and soothing the body. One intriguing fact is that the vibrations produced by sound therapy can activate the body's relaxation response through the stimulation of the parasympathetic nervous system. This response helps counteract the effects of chronic stress and promotes a state of deep relaxation. Scientific studies have also shown that sound therapy can have a direct impact on stress hormone levels. When exposed to soothing sounds, such as gentle melodies or nature sounds, the production of stress hormones like cortisol decreases while the release of endorphins and other feel-good chemicals increases. This biochemical response not only brings about a sense of tranquility but also supports the body's natural ability to heal and restore balance. Furthermore, sound therapy can provide a welcome respite from the constant sensory stimulation of our modern lives. The use of repetitive rhythms, calming tones, and therapeutic frequencies helps to quiet the mind and redirect our focus from the daily stressors that often consume us. By immersing ourselves in the soothing sounds of sound therapy, we can experience a peaceful state of consciousness that allows for deep relaxation and rejuvenation. It is worth mentioning that sound therapy is a versatile modality that can be tailored to individual preferences and needs. Whether it's through the enchanting tunes of singing bowls, the mesmerizing vibrations of gongs, or the gentle harmonies of chimes, there is a wide range of instruments and techniques that can be utilized to create a personalized healing experience. This flexibility ensures that sound therapy can be accessible and beneficial to people of all ages and backgrounds. In summary, sound therapy holds immense potential for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. The activation of the body's relaxation response, the biochemical changes that occur, and the ability to quiet the mind are all compelling reasons to explore the healing qualities of sound. Whether used as a standalone practice or as a complement to other relaxation techniques, sound therapy offers a soothing and harmonious pathway to inner calm and well-being. Sonic harmonies. Examining how specific sounds and melodies can enhance our mood and emotions. The impact of specific sounds and melodies on our mood and emotions is a fascinating area of study that delves into the intricate relationship between sound and human psychology. Music, in particular, has the ability to evoke powerful emotions and create a profound impact on our well-being. One intriguing fact is that certain frequencies and harmonies can stimulate the release of neurotransmitters in the brain, such as dopamine and serotonin, which are associated with feelings of happiness and pleasure. Numerous scientific studies have shown that listening to uplifting and joyous melodies can result in an immediate improvement in mood. This can be attributed to the activation of the reward centers in the brain, leading to a surge in positive emotions and a sense of well-being. Conversely, melancholic or sad melodies can elicit feelings of introspection and empathy, providing a cathartic release for individuals experiencing emotional distress. Additionally, the tempo and rhythm of music play a crucial role in influencing our mood. Upbeat and fast-paced rhythms can create a sense of energy and motivation, while slower tempos induce relaxation and calmness. This connection between music and movement is evident in various cultural practices, such as dance and exercise, where rhythmic sounds are harnessed to enhance the physical and emotional experience. Moreover, the use of specific musical structures, such as chords and progressions, can evoke specific emotional responses. Major chords often evoke feelings of happiness and elation, while minor chords tend to convey a sense of melancholy or nostalgia. Composers and musicians skillfully utilize these sonic tools to elicit and communicate a wide range of emotions, shaping our emotional experience through sound. In conclusion, the power of specific sounds and melodies to influence our mood and emotions is a captivating aspect of human perception. The interplay between frequencies, harmonies, rhythm, and structure creates a rich sensory experience that can evoke profound emotional responses. By understanding and harnessing the language of music, we can use sonic harmonies as a tool for self-expression, emotional exploration, and overall well-being. Sound as a pathway to balance. Exploring how sound therapy can restore energy and promote holistic wellness. Sound therapy is a powerful modality that harnesses the healing properties of sound to restore balance and promote holistic wellness. One fascinating fact about sound therapy is its ability to influence our brainwave activity. Research has shown that specific frequencies and tones can entrain our brainwaves to align with those associated with relaxation, meditation, and deep states of rest. This phenomenon, known as brainwave entrainment, can help us attain a state of deep relaxation and relieve stress and anxiety. Furthermore, sound therapy has been found to have a direct impact on our physical well-being. Vibrational frequencies produced by various instruments, such as Tibetan singing bowls or tuning forks, can penetrate deep into our cells and tissues, creating a harmonizing effect on a cellular level. This process, known as resonant frequency healing, helps to restore the natural vibrational balance in our bodies, enhancing our overall vitality and promoting self-healing mechanisms. In addition to its physical benefits, sound therapy also has profound effects on our emotional and mental well-being. The soothing sounds and vibrations can facilitate a sense of calmness and inner peace, reducing depressive symptoms and promoting emotional balance. Moreover, sound therapy has been utilized as a complementary treatment for conditions such as insomnia, ADHD, and chronic pain, showcasing its potential as a holistic approach to overall wellness. One interesting aspect of sound therapy is the concept of cymatics, which explores the visible patterns that sound waves can create in different materials, such as water or sand. These intricate patterns offer a visual representation of the dynamics and harmonies present in sound, further emphasizing the profound impact it can have on our physical and energetic bodies. In conclusion, sound therapy provides a pathway to balance and holistic wellness by utilizing the therapeutic properties of sound. Through brainwave entrainment, resonant frequency healing, and emotional and physical well-being benefits, sound therapy offers a powerful tool for promoting relaxation, revitalization, and overall harmony in our lives. Whether through ancient practices or modern techniques, this approach reminds us of the profound connection between sound, energy, and our well-being. The science behind sound therapy: understanding the physiological and psychological effects of sound on our mind and body. Sound therapy is a fascinating field that delves into the science behind the physiological and psychological effects of sound on our mind and body. One intriguing aspect is the impact of sound on our brainwaves. Different frequencies and tones have been found to elicit specific brainwave patterns, such as alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves. These patterns are associated with various states of consciousness, including relaxation, focus, creativity, and deep sleep. By using targeted sound frequencies, sound therapy can help us achieve and optimize these desired brainwave states, promoting a range of cognitive and emotional benefits. Additionally, sound therapy has been found to stimulate the release of neurochemicals in our brain, such as endorphins and dopamine. These neurotransmitters are associated with feelings of pleasure, well-being, and stress relief. By enhancing the production of these natural chemicals, sound therapy can support mood elevation, reduce anxiety, and improve overall mental health. The physiological effects of sound therapy go beyond the brain. Research has shown that exposure to certain sound frequencies can influence our autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary bodily functions. For example, low-frequency sounds have been found to induce a relaxation response, slowing down heart rate, lowering blood pressure, and reducing muscle tension. Conversely, high-frequency sounds can invigorate and increase alertness, promoting an energizing effect on the body. Furthermore, sound therapy can have a profound impact on our energetic and vibrational well-being. Sound vibrations have the ability to resonate with our body's energy centers, or chakras, helping to clear blockages and restore balance. This alignment of our energy centers can lead to a sense of harmony, improved vitality, and overall well-being. The ancient practice of using specific sound frequencies to activate and balance the chakras has been utilized for centuries in various cultures around the world. In conclusion, the science behind sound therapy reveals the intricate relationship between sound, our mind, and body. Through its influence on brain waves, neurochemicals, the autonomic nervous system, and energetic centers, sound therapy offers a holistic approach to promoting wellness. By understanding and harnessing the physiological and psychological effects of sound, we can tap into the transformative power of sound therapy to optimize our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Harnessing the energy of sound therapy. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the world of sound therapy. If you're hungry for more alternative wellness wisdom, be sure to check out our channel for an array of enlightening videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because together, we can explore new paths to holistic well-being. Like this video to support us in bringing you more transformative content. Stay tuned, stay curious, and let the power of sound therapy guide you on your wellness journey.